Hi guys, so today is Wednesday, May 28th, 2025. This is my second time testing the action camera from IceFox. I'm sending my son to school with Terry. Hey, you're stepping on your leash. Alright, so I did test this yesterday with same weather condition, gloomy, no sun, and I noticed that the video is lagging and my voice and my lips are not syncing. Hey Jay, they're not syncing, so I was ready to give up on this action camera until I realized that maybe it's the right speed of the memory card. So I swapped memory card. I think it's better, but still lagging during testing inside the house. So I lowered the resolution to 2.7K. So this is 2.7K, 60 FPS. I think the camera is struggling with 4K resolution. Wait, Terry, wait. Okay. Give me a foot. Okay. Hey, too fast. You're too fast. I'm just walking. Oh, there's a cat. Hey, nope. Don't mind him. No, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just walking. Terry. Terry. So I just want to see if there's still a lag and out of sync audio and video with this IceFox camera. This is the last day. Okay, last day of testing. If I'm not satisfied, it's going back today. So even if it's not 4K, especially uh, uh, in YouTube videos, it's hard to appreciate the difference when uploaded. It's for the price, you have to consider the price, but that lag is very annoying. That lag and the out of sync audio. So test mic 1 2 3, test mic 1 2 3, and also I'm using the internal microphone. I don't see the difference with the external mic. Maybe if there are external wind noise, because that has a cover against wind. So after this, I'm gonna review this footage, especially the sync, audio and video sync. So we're here at my son's school, and I'm gonna end this video. Hopefully everybody has a nice day, and I want this action camera not to fail, especially for the price. Okay, Okay guys, thanks for watching. Say goodbye, Terry.